Good morning children. Welcome to math class. Children, today we will discuss about exercise 9.1. Okay? So children, open your book and see page number 113. Children, see one number. Which of the following are linear equations in one variable? Okay? Here you have to find out which are linear equation. Children, here you see both A and B variables are there, so it is not a linear equation. But here you see only one variable is there, so it is a linear equation. It is also not a linear equation. And this one 2x by 5 plus 3 by 7 equal to 2. That is also one variable, so it is a linear equation. Okay. Then comes to 2 number. Write algebraic equations for the following statements. Here children, you see, here statements are given, you have to write in equations. So read properly and write down. 3 number, here equations are given, you have to write in statements. 4 number, children, here you have to solve with the method of trial and error. So you follow the examples and do. Here suppose for A, here given 3x plus 1 equal to 10. Here in case of x, you put first 1, then 2, then 3. Okay. 1, 1. Number you put, then you try. Then 5 number, use the systematic method to solve the following equations. Here systematic method means you have to solve. Suppose 5a you see 4y minus 7 equal to 5. See the solution? 4y minus 7 equal to 5. Here children, minus 7 is LHS side, so when you transfer to right side, you change the sign, that is plus 7 you write. Then y equal to 5 plus 7 by 4. Here 4 is multiply here. So when you transfer LHS to RHS, you divide. So 12 by 4 equal to 3. Then B bit you see 8 minus x by 4 equal to 5. So here variable is here x by 4 and 8 is here. So you have to change this 8 to RHS side. Here plus 8 is there and here you have to write minus 8. Then minus x by 4 equal to minus 3. X by 4 equal to 3. Here we remove both side minus symbol. Okay. Then x by 4 equal to 3. X equal to 3 multiply 4. This 4 comes to here. Okay. Then we get 12. Then C bit you see 5x by 9 equal to 45. So 5x equal to children 45 multiply 9. X equal to this 5 will be here divide. 45 multiply 9 by 5. That is 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45. So 9 9s are 81 is our answer. Like this children, you see D number 11x equal to 660. Very easy. Just you remember the 11 table, then cut out, then get your answer. Then E bit m by 9 equal to 1 by 3. Here this 9 will shift that side, means RHS side. So 1 by 3 multiply 9 and m equal to we get 3. F bit also you see minus 3 bracket 7 minus x equal to 6. Children, here how you solve? First bracket part you have to solve. Means these 3 multiply first 7 and again you multiply with x. So minus 21 plus 3x we get. Then again here minus 21 is there. When you shift RHS side you get plus 21. So 3x equal to 6 plus 21 and x equal to, here you do what? Just divide 3. After solving you get 9. Then G bit you see children. 57 equal to 7 plus 5 whole bracket x minus 3. Here just you exchange their places, not need to change their sign. Okay, just exchange their places, then we solve. 7 plus 5x, here we multiply 5x and 5 multiply minus 3, we get minus 15. So 5x minus 8 plus 7 and minus 15, we get minus 8. Then 57 equal to 5x, 57 plus 8. Then x equal to, just we divide the 5. Clear children? H bit you see 0 equal to 45 plus m minus 7 whole bracket 3. Here also just you exchange their places. Then we solve this bracket part. First we will solve 3m minus 21. Okay, 3m minus 21. Then 3m equal to children 21 minus 45. This 21 will shift plus 21 and plus 45 will be minus 45. Then minus 24 by 3, that is minus 8 will get. Okay. Then comes to I bit. 6x plus 11 equal to x minus 14. Here children, both side has x. So what we'll do? Just we shift this x to that side. So 6x minus x equal to minus 14 minus 11. So 5x equal to children minus 25 and x equal to minus 25 by 5 equal to minus 5. So clear children, 5 number, just follow the steps and do in your copy. Then comes to 6 number. A number multiplied by 3 and increased by 7 gives 40. Find the number. So here children, unknown number will take x. Then a number multiplied by 3 means 3x and increased by 7 and gives 40 means 3x plus 7 equal to 40. Then we solve that equation, then we get our answer. Then 7 number children, the cost of 8 balls is 96 rupees. Find the cost of 1 ball. Very easy. This one you do yourself. Okay. Then 8 number, 92 exceeds another number by 32. Find the unknown number. Here you see children, let the number x. Then according to the problem, 92 exceeds x by 32. Means 92 equal to x plus 32. If we solve this one, x equal to 92 minus 32, that is 60. Clear? Then comes to 9 number. The sum of 3 consecutive integers is 45. Find the integers. Consecutive number means for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13 like this, they are consecutive number. Let the consecutive integers x, x plus 1, x plus 2, then the sum of 3 consecutive integers is 45. It is given in your book. So according to the formula or according to the data, we get x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equal to 45. Then 3x plus 3 equal to 45. Then 3x equal to 45 minus 3 equal to 42 and x equal to 14. Now we get x only. Then we have to find out x plus 1, x plus 2. So x equal to 14, x plus 1 equal to 15 and x plus 2 equal to 16. So 14, 15, 16 are consecutive 3 numbers. Clear? Then comes to 10 number. The age of Priya and Riya are in the ratio of 3:5. If the sum of their ages is 56 years, then find their ages. So here given their sum of the years and their ratio 3:5. So first of all we have to write data. The ages of Priya and Riya are in the ratio of 3:5. Let Priya is 3x and Riya is 5x. The sum of their ages is 56 years. So according to the problem, we have to put them in one equation, that is 3x plus 5x equal to 56. If we solve this one, x will be 7. Okay, x will be 7. Then we have to find out 3x and 5x, because 3x is Priya's age and 5x is Riya's age. So 3x is 21 and 5x is 35. So Priya's age is 21 and Riya's age is 35. Clear? Then comes to 11 number. The length of a rectangle is 2 cm more than its breadth. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 28 cm, find the length. Children, you know, rectangular shape have one length and one breadth, and their perimeter formula is, children, 2 multiply L plus B. So first of all we have to write data, that is the length of a rectangle is 2 cm more than its breadth. Let breadth of the rectangle be B. Okay, rectangle of the breadth will be B. Then so length of the rectangle will be B plus 2, because 2 cm more than the breadth. Then now perimeter will be 28 cm. It is given in your book. So according to the formula, perimeter of rectangle, children, this one you remember, 2 multiply or 2 whole bracket L plus B. Now we put the value in this formula, 2 whole bracket B plus 2. In case of L, we write B plus 2. Then B means we put B breadth. So 2B. B plus B is 2B plus 2. Then 4B. 2 multiply 2, 4B plus 2 multiply 2, 4. 4B plus 4 equal to 28 cm. Then 4B equal to 28 minus 4 cm, and B equal to, children, 28 minus 4 by 4. That is 6 cm. Here, children, we get only B, 6 cm. Then you have to find out length, means B plus 2, that is 6 plus 2 is 8 cm. This is your answer. So breadth we get 6 cm and length we get 8 cm. So this is the exercise of 9.1. So children, these are very important for your exam. You practice briefly. Okay, follow the rules and follow each steps and practice at your home. So children, exercise 9.1 is your homework. You do it at your home. Thank you. Have a nice day.